Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you what I got for Christmas this year. I know it's a little late. It's like, what's today? It's January 5th, so Christmas is like 10 days ago, but better late than never. I'm just gonna jump right into it. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you guys what I bought myself, so yeah. All right, so the first thing that's in front of me is this makeup. Eric actually got this for me. He got me the Kylie Jenner bronzer, and this is in shade Toasty, and it's actually really nice. I like it a lot. And then he also got me the Kylie Jenner highlighter in Cheers Darling. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, my nails. Ew. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so these are really nice. I was not expecting these, and these are the first makeup products I've gotten from Kylie Jenner. So yeah, the packaging is so cute too. I love it. It's like pink and so cute. Dude, my nails. Oh my god, I should have thought about that part. But yeah, that's the highlighter. My dad put this in my stocking. It's a Benefit kind of like set, and it has, this is my favorite mascara. It's the Bad Gal Bing. It's the best. It makes your lashes so long. So I got that. It comes with a full size of that, a full size brow setter, which is amazing. It's like a clear setter, and I've never used a clear one before. I've used the Boy Brow from Glossier, but this is really good. I really like it. And then also a little teeny tiny Professional. Like, it's so tiny. Look at that. That's all the makeup that I got. And then we'll just go do shoes first. So my brother Sergio got me some all white. He got me all white Converse high top ones, which I've been wanting. I got a pair a few years ago, but they're like super beat up and stuff, so I got a new pair. I'm excited to wear those, but I'm waiting for nicer weather because it's snowy and gross and muddy and everything outside. So yeah, and then I'm so excited about these. My dad got me these, and I've never had a pair of Jordan 1s. So these are Jordan 1s. They're the Bloodline, so they're red, white, and black. I haven't even taken them out of the box yet. I love them. I have to lace them up and stuff, but they're so nice. Hey, they're so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then it comes with 2 different laces. I really like the red ones though. I'll probably leave the red ones on. So yeah, I got those. And I got these in a kid size 6.5. I'm so excited. Oh wait, I have one more pair of shoes, which I'm so excited about. I saw these on Lauren Elizabeth's, like, her website. I've never had a pair of slippers, so they're slippers. And I just love these. They're so cute. They're by UGG. I wore them for my first time the other day because I was like, okay, I should probably like use the stuff I got for Christmas. I was so nervous because they were selling out literally everywhere on Christmas or around Christmas. So I was like, oh my god, I'm probably not gonna get them, but I did. Okay. Now we'll go into whatever. We're just gonna grab random stuff. I got this amazing robe. Let me scoot back. It has this huge, like, furry hood and then fur down the sides. Super soft, just amazing robe. It's from Abercrombie & Fitch. So thanks, Dad. He got me that. And then the second robe I got is from Eric. It's from Victoria's Secret, and it's just like a silky robe. I always want a silky robe, but they're like $60, so it's something I never buy for myself. So Eric got me this one. So cute. It's like a blushy pink. It has like these frillies on the sleeve. You know, just a basic Victoria's Secret robe. Super cute. Also, I'm filming in my kitchen, obviously. It just has the best lighting, so sorry about the background. It's kind of weird, but it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, welcome to my kitchen. And then my dad got me this big, nice blanket. It's so soft. I was actually with him when he got me this. It's by Martha Stewart, I think. It was from a department store at the mall. I don't know, it was like 70% off. It was originally $130 and we got it like 70% off or something like that. So it's a super nice blanket. It's mine, no one's touching it. Next, I'm gonna show you guys my new purse. So I have always wanted the Prada purse, but obviously this is not a Prada purse. I can't afford a Prada purse. So I found this one on, what's it called? Crap, Aritzia. And it's by the brand TNT. And it literally looks like the little Prada purse, like shoulder bag, the nylon one. But it is from TNT. It's so cute. It's just nylon, just plain black. Zipper, literally just plain. I love it though. It's so cute. It's gonna be really good for summer. But yeah, I love that. Next, I'll show you, I got a leather jacket from Express. I needed a new one because I love like wearing leather jackets like over a hoodie like this or something. But my old one was from Brandy Melville and it looked just super bad, like fake. And I got it in high school, so I like grew out of it. I was like, okay, I need like a bit of an upgrade. So I got this one from Express in a size small. I love it. It's just like a basic, you know, biker little leather jacket. It's obviously not real leather. And then Eric also got me a cute little pajama set from Victoria's Secret. It's just like this print. And then the matching top. It's just like a cami kind of top, like so. And then it ties in the front. I don't know, just some cute pajamas. My dad also got me this really nice, I was with him and I picked it out, this cami from Abercrombie & Fitch. It just, you know, has like the lace right there, a few buttons, and this is just like a nice basic kind of thing to have in your closet with a pair of jeans. Ooh, 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 I love this. My sister Selena got me this. I'm so excited. I did not think anyone was gonna get me this, but it's the Gymshark like long sleeve workout like crop shirt. It's so cute. It's honestly dirty. I just pulled out all the dirty clothes. I wore it boxing, but it has like the thumb hole and everything. It is so cute. She got me an extra small because I thought that's what I was gonna be, but it honestly like rides up a lot, so I'm gonna get more and I'm gonna get smalls. My brother Jordan and his wife got me and Eric like a joint gift, and they got us this table, what is it? Table like Pong game. So you like flick it. It's like little like shot glass kind of size. So this is cool for like when I have friends over, or like for game nights and stuff, we can play this. Eric's dad got me this really cute beanie. It's so cute. It's a super cozy hat. And it is very cozy. It's very cute. Eric got me some Christmas socks in my stocking. Am I missing anything? Basically, that's it. Eric's parents got us like so many gift cards to, I got a gift card to Sephora, Urban Outfitters. My sister got me a gift card to Sephora. We got a gift card to the grocery store. 3 gift cards to the movies, a few restaurants, like just so many gift cards, which we've been putting to good use. We're about to see our second movie this weekend. So yeah, thank you everyone for everything that you guys got me for Christmas. I love it. And I'm sorry if I'm forgetting anything that I got for Christmas. Like I said, it's been 10 days, so if I think of anything, I'll insert pictures or whatever. But I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna put this stuff back down, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got myself. I got these, which are kind of crazy. These patent leather leggings. They're super shiny, and I got them from the brand Commando off of Revolve. And I got a size medium. I'm usually a small, and like literally I would have ordered a small, but I watched reviews and I got a medium, and thank God I did because they fit perfectly. They're so cute. If you check out my Instagram, you can see like how I styled them. I actually wore this hoodie with it and a blazer, and it was so cute. And then I bought myself this blazer. It's just a basic black, like super nice blazer. I got it from Zara. in a size small. I didn't own like a nice blazer, and you need one, okay? What else did I get for myself? Oh, this just came in the mail today. My dad gave us each $100 from like his company, SP Leather, for like helping him out throughout the year. So it's kind of like a, I don't know, it was from his business, SP Leather, so he gave us each $100, like me and my siblings. So I ordered a pair of Lululemon leggings because they're so expensive and I never want to buy them for myself. So thanks SP Leather for my leggings. I got the Aligns because I have the black Aligns and I have the Align joggers. They're the best pair of leggings from Lululemon. They're so soft and comfortable. So I got them in the dark olive color. They're so cute. They're just, you know, basic Align leggings, but in dark olive. I love them. And I get a size 2. Leo, what are you doing? I needed more workout clothes, so I got those, and I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if I remember anything else that I didn't include in here, I'll insert pictures or whatever. And again, sorry about the whole background of my kitchen. That's everything that I got for Christmas. Thank you for watching if you watched this video. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm gonna show you guys my dog. My dog. Hi, you are so cute. You are so cute. Oh, you are so handsome. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? His name is Leo.